Hello everyone, welcome to maths lecture. So in the previous lecture we have solved some word problem sums based on measurement, units of measurement. Okay, so today is the last part of revision lecture of lesson number 11. Today we will solve just 3 sums and we will finish our revision of lesson number 11. Okay, so let us read question number 1. To prepare one dress, 2 meter 75 centimeter of cloth is required. Then what quantity of cloth is required to make 10 such dresses? Okay, what they have given, see, if 2 meter and 75 centimeter of cloth is required to prepare one dress, then we need to find out that what quantity of cloth is required, that how much cloth is required to make 10 such dresses. So they have given you the length of a cloth used for making one dress is 2 meter 75 centimeter, and we have to make 10 such dresses. So number of dresses 10. Therefore we have to find out the length of the cloth required to make 10 such dresses. So cloth required to make 10 dresses. So we have to multiply 2 meter 75 centimeter into 10. So meters, centimeters. 2 meter 75 centimeter into 10. Zero 5 is 0, 0 7 is 0, 0 2 is 0. 0, 1 5 is 5, 1 7 is 7, and 1 2 is 2. Okay, so we need 27 meter and 50 centimeters of cloth to make 10 dresses. That's it. Okay, see, if you multiply 75 by 10, you will get answer 750. Okay, but here you know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we have to take 7 here. Okay, because 1 meter is equal to only 100 centimeters. So we cannot write more than 100 centimeter over here. So that is why we have taken 7 this side. Okay, so 27 meters 50 centimeter. That's it. This is a quite simple sum. Okay, next. Tuition class starts at 6:45 in the evening and teaching ends after 2:30. At what time the class gets over? Now what they have given, tuition class starts at 6:45 in the evening, means time at which class starts. 6 hours 45 minutes in the evening means at 6:45 p.m. In the evening means 6:45 p.m. Okay, that is 6 hours 45 minutes in the evening. And it ends after 2 hours 30 minutes. Time at which class ends. 2 hours 30 minutes. Okay. After 2 hours 30 minutes, we have to find out at what time the class gets over. So therefore, time at which class gets over is equal to first hours minutes. It starts at 6 hours 45 minutes, that is at 6:45 in the evening. Then it lasts for 2 hours 30 minutes. So we have to add 2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. Understood? See, it starts at 6:45 p.m. in the evening and it lasts for 2 hours and 30 minutes. So that is why we have to add here 2 hours 30 minutes. We have to find out at what time class gets over. So we know that 45 plus 30, you get 75 minutes. So 75 minutes means 60 minutes plus 15 minutes, and 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So we have to write this 15 here. We have to take this 1 hour here. 7 plus 2, 9. So the time at which class gets over is 9:15 p.m. Okay? Understood? They have given you that the starting time of the class is 6:45 in the evening, means 6:45 p.m. But it lasts, see what they have given, the class ends after 2 hours 30 minutes, means it lasts for 2 hours. The duration of the class is for 2 hours and 30 minutes. We have to find out the exact time at which it gets over. So we have to add 6 hours 45 minutes plus 2 hours 30 minutes. You will get 9 hours 15 minutes. So the time at which class gets over is 9:15 p.m. Understood? Okay. Okay. Now the last. In a gymnasium, Rohit lifted weight of 50 kg 325 grams and Rahul lifted weight of 48 kg 675 grams. Who lifted the weight more and by how much? What they have given, see. Rohit lifted a weight of 50 kg and 325 grams. Similarly, Rahul lifted weight of 48 kg 675 grams. We have to find that who lifted the weight more and by how much. So first, weight lifted by Rohit, 50 kg 325 grams. Similarly, weight lifted by Rahul 48 kg, 675 grams. We have to find out first that who lifted more weight. So here see, 50 kg 325 gram is greater than 48 kg 675 grams. So therefore 50 kg 325 grams is greater than 48 kg 675 grams. So therefore Rohit lifted more weight. Okay, but we have to find out that how much more weight lifted by Rohit than Rahul. So for that we have to do calculation, kg grams. Okay, (50 kgs 325 grams) minus, we have to find out the difference between the both the weights, that is the weights lifted by both of them. So we have to do minus over here, subtraction over here, minus 48 675. Now we cannot subtract 675 from 325. So here we have to borrow 1 kg from this side and we have to convert it into grams. So you know 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 1000 grams plus 325 grams. We will get 1325 grams. Minus from this we have to subtract this 675. 0 5 650. So you will write 650 here. As you have taken 1 kg from this side, you have to deduct it. 50 minus 1, 49. 49 minus 48, 1. So Rohit lifted more weight than Rahul by 1 kg 650 grams. Okay. So in this way we have finished the revision lecture of 11th lesson, that is problems of measurement, problems on measurement. Okay, so I hope you might have understood. Practice these sums into your maths notebook. In the next lecture we will start the revision of new lesson, that is lesson number 12. I guess it is perimeter. Okay, so till that, stay safe, stay healthy and take care. Thank you.